On this video, I'm gonna show you the visual piano chord guide that we've created just for you. The idea for this website is to allow you to learn beyond just watching video tutorials on YouTube or any other platforms that allow you to access video content. And our website is completely free. You don't need to subscribe. You just need internet and a device. It can either be on a phone or on a computer. So I'm gonna show you this tool that we've created. So what you want to do first, you want to go to pianolessons.co.za, and under tools you want to go to is visual piano chord guide. So what this does, and you'll see the first thing first, obviously you see here is visual piano chord guide. We have all the 12 keys that we've covered here. That's the first thing. Another thing that we have like a chord type. We have your major, minor, diminished, augmented, major seventh, minor seventh, dominant, diminished, half diminished, suspended 2, suspended 4, right? The last thing that we have, which is going to allow you to filter by, you can filter by single note, octaves, root, and fifth. So this is very important. We make sure that we differentiate between, because when you play, right, you play with both your hands, and this is, you will see like this, we made it actually for I mean, you can say it's for beginner players, but also for someone who wanna go back and just refresh their memory on a specific key. You can always do this, but for beginner players this is perfect for you, because sometimes you watch a tutorial but you forget. So instead of going back to that video, what you want to do, you can just come on our website, pianolessons.co.za/visual piano chord guide. This is the chord guide. So if you wanna, for instance, you are learning in the key of C. So what it does, this tool is very interactive. First, it's gonna tell you the name of the chords that you should be playing. Right on your left hand, you see here it's in blue saying you should be playing C, right? And there is C. On your right hand, it's gonna tell you you're playing C, E, G, and I'm gonna show you that it is very interactive. Now let's just say maybe, okay, it's fine. I'm like, okay, it's fine, I've learned C. Now let me learn D, right? This is like D. So and it's a major, but if we say it's fine, you want to learn a minor, which is going to be the second key, or the second chord rather, in the key of C. That one will be 1, this one will be 2, right? And you want to do that, you'll see that it's very interactive. It moved right now on the left hand in the blue column, it's on D. On the right in the red column is on D, F, and A. So this is a very good, I mean, amazing visual chord guide. I wish I had this when I was learning to play piano, even if it was in one chord, or I mean, even if it was in one key, or other keys as well, because it was a little bit of a struggle. I didn't have this even when I was searching, right? I mean, I didn't have access to, I mean, when I was learning, I didn't even have a smartphone. So this is to make it easier for you, as you learn your piano. We want to make sure that you have an option not only to learn from video tutorials. We have video tutorials that guides you on how to play piano in other keys. We have covered the scales, the suspended chords, the major chords, the minor chords as well. And on other keys we have, of course, covered the diminished chord. But on other keys which we did not, we can easily come here and, okay, it's fine, I've learned, or I know how to play in the key of F sharp. But I always see people talking about augmented chord. Can come here for study, you want to learn diminished chord, you can come here and click on diminished. This is very interactive, and it's gonna show you on how you can play the diminished chord in the key of F sharp, and it's very interactive. It's just gonna show you. So when you see this, then you know what to do on your piano. Is fingering, right? You put your fingers on your right hand. If you're gonna learn, it's gonna be on F sharp, A, and C, and on left hand it's gonna be in F sharp. Let's do the last one and we're done for this video, right? Let's do B. I just say maybe you wanna learn to play in the key of B major. Is very interactive. You see here on the left hand it's on B, and on the right hand you have that chord information in chord triad, 3 notes, B, D sharp, and F sharp. And that's it for this video. This is the visual piano chord guide that you can use and access on our website, tepopianolessons.co.za. This is for free, and I tell you, this is gonna help improve your playing. Look, we did not only cover the basics like your major and minor, but we have covered diminished, your dominant, your half diminished, suspended chords, sus4. So this is gonna be the best tool that you wanna add into your game as you improve your playing. I hope this is gonna add value into your playing as a piano player, and I hope that is gonna help improve your playing. Until next time, take care.